massive 777 engine was built to cross oceans. Tonight, it's flying barely 50 minutes.
Second right, please.
12K. Today I'm flying from Siem Reap in Cambodia to Bangkok with Emirates Airlines in a Boeing 777 One thing I realized in the Emirates, I am row 12 and behind me should be 13, but it's 14, so they don't have number 13 in this flight. I don't know if it's every single airplane that belongs to Emirates like that, but this one doesn't have row 13. Damn it, 13 is my lucky number. Began the pushback, gonna fly at 28,000 feet for about 45 minutes. There's a National Geographic plane getting ready to line up to the runway. I'm looking at this massive engine, so I'm looking at the moon and I'm thinking about the Artemis 2 crew. They should be on their way back from the moon. Only moments ago, we were on the runway in Siem Reap. Now this giant aircraft is already climbing into the night. Best meal I ever had on a flight because I am starving. I'm gonna enjoy this. We're barely 10 minutes into our flight and they serve us the meal. Go Emirates. Very happy. Happy chappy. Not bad. The captain said we're gonna be 30 minutes early. 50-minute flight. This is the toilet review. We're just about to land shortly, so I came to have a look in the toilet in the Emirates, so we got a big mirror here. Toilet seat. There's a lot of room. It's expected. This is a Boeing 777.
ค่ะคู่มือความปลอดภัยอยู่ในกระเป๋าได้ที่นั่งของท่านขอบคุณค่ะ
I think we're flying over. Captain lead up the plane. You can see the massive engine, and there you see the moon where the Artemis crew are on their way back to. Just like that, under 50 minutes we're in Bangkok.